In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam games to an external hard drive. This is a great way to manage your storage effectively, especially if your primary drive is running low on space. So let's dive right in and get started. First and foremost, you'll want to open your Steam application. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed on your computer. Once you have Steam running, head over towards the top right corner of the window where you'll find the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Steam account credentials. It's important to ensure that your account information is accurate, so take a moment to double check your entries before hitting sign in. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Steam homepage. From here, navigate over to the library tab. This section is where all your games are stored and shows those you've purchased as well as ones that are available to install. Now, look through your library and select the game you wish to download onto your external hard drive. With your game selected, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the installation process, but before it actually begins, we need to make a few adjustments. You'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on this will redirect you to the storage management section of Steam. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add drive. Select that, and from there you'll be able to add your external drive to the list of available storage options. Simply follow the prompts to choose your external drive. Keep in mind that it's crucial for your external drive to be properly connected and recognized by your computer prior to this step. Once your external drive is added, navigate back to the game installation window. You'll repeat the installation process by clicking on install once more, but this time you'll be presented with the option to select your newly added external drive. Confirm your selection to ensure your game is headed to the right destination. And there you have it. Click install again to begin downloading your game to the external hard drive. This might take some time depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, so grab a coffee and let Steam work its magic. To wrap things up, it's always a good idea to check that everything is running smoothly. Open the installed game through your library to run it and verify everything is set up perfectly. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Downloading games to an external hard drive can be a game changer in managing your storage solutions. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!